Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1207, unique number of occurrences. So in this problem, like it's an easy problem by the tag, and in this problem what we have to do is we have to check if the number of occurrences of each unique uh, digit is unique in the given array. If this condition is true, we are going to return boolean true, else false. So it's a pretty straightforward problem. So what I'm going to do is, I'll not use any module like counter or anything like that, but I'll create a dictionary of my own. Okay, and we'll just simply iterate through the given array. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increment the number of occurrences. Sorry, I'm gonna increment the number of occurrences of the digit which I am at currently. If it was already there, otherwise I'm gonna initiate that with a 1. Okay, so this get method helps us in doing the same. For example, it will look for a given digit. If it is not there, it will by default assign a value of 0, and we are gonna increment that 1. And if the digit will be already there, we're gonna pick the number and we'll increment 1 in that. Okay, so at the last, what we can do is we can just simply check if the set of the given values, for example, in this particular example, the set of values will be 3, 2, and 1. Okay, like this 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and the keys in this number of occurrences will be 1, 2, and 3, right? So if these two values are equal, we are going to return true, else false, right? So to do that, what I'm going to do is I will get the set of values, unique values in the given in the prepared dictionary, and we'll compare that with the number of keys. Okay, so this particular line of statement will return a boolean value on the basis of this equal condition. If it will be equal, we are going to return true, else false. Okay, so the test cases got passed successfully, and let's submit the solution. Yep, so the submission got accepted successfully, guys. So thanks a ton for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones.